Hello, I am here to talk to you about triple science, which is an option subject at St Cuthbert, Maine. During this presentation, I'm going to briefly talk to you about why you might want to study triple science, although I could bang on about science all day. I'm then going to explain to you your learning journey of science through St Cuthbert, Maine, and how triple science differs from combined science. I'm then going to quickly summarize some of the skills that you will learn and how you might be able to apply those to careers or further education opportunities in the future. And then I will summarize some of the events we've got coming up for you as part of your option pathway. So my name is Dr. Penwill and I am the curriculum leader for science. You've got this far. So that means you already know that science is the greatest, that science explains to you how everything works in the whole universe. So you already know all of that. You just want to know how you can do extra science. Well, you've come to the right place. Triple science is the place that you can do extra science. So there is more content and you get 3 GCSEs in science, not 2. And I'll explain that process a little bit more on the next slide. If you are passionate about taking science further to a career or to university, statistically speaking, triple science students achieve more highly at science A levels than combined science students will. So you are there at the top now. You are in year 9 and you are making your pathway choices and you're thinking about what you want to do in the future. If you carry on doing combined science, you will end up with 2 science GCSEs at the end of year 11. If you choose triple science, you get 3 science GCSEs and they are not called science. They are called physics, they are called chemistry, and they are called biology. So you get 3 separate science GCSEs separated out into their specialisms. On top of having extra GCSE, you also learn extra content. And I'll just tell you a couple of them here. So, in combined science, you do not learn about the eye or the brain. Triple science, you do. In combined science, you do not learn about space. In triple science, there is a whole unit on space science. So you learn the same as combined science with extras, with specialist subject teachers to give you 3 separate science GCSEs. And you can take those further to sixth form, to do A levels, to do vocational BTECs, to think about careers or university. Now, in the combined science video, I talk about these skills. These skills are the same skills you learn whatever science you do. And you will learn to improve these skills, to improve how you can investigate your hypothesis, how you can solve your problems, and how you can communicate your findings with the world. Communication is really important in science, especially if you want to take that on further into the world of scientific research and PhD. A good science education will help you in any career that you choose to do. So you can take those science GCSEs on to our sixth form to progress to a totally different career. If you love science, because you should, you will want to take those GCSEs into a science career. And I've summarized a few of them here. Medicine, the obvious one, but environmental science, scientific research, 2 careers which are very topical at the moment. Could you be involved in climate change research, in about changing the way that we work for the better, for the future? Could you be involved in scientific research? Scientific researchers are the reason that we have the Oxford COVID vaccine. So these careers are making substantial impact on the lives of people as we speak. If you are really interested in triple science, book an appointment to speak to me and we can go through why triple science is so great. Then come along to my live taster lesson where I'll go through some of the really cool things that we're going to learn in triple science. And then from the 12th of February onwards, you can fill out your options and choose triple science because it's the best.